All right, I'm going to be replacing the front brake lines on this '08 Ninja 650R, and I'm going to be using the Spiegler kit from sportsbiketrackgear.com. Spent probably thousands of dollars with them on random stuff, and the reason I'm replacing the brake line is because I have sports bars on my Ninja. Puts the things lower, and when you can't tell necessarily, it's kind of hard to see. When you turn all the way one side, the brake line hits the speedometer, and it's slowly cutting through my brake line. So the Spiegler kit is, one, it's much better than stock, apparently. But these lines, you're supposed to be able to turn them to the orientation you want. So hopefully I'll be able to turn the orientation and get it to where they don't rub. Also, I noticed that these things are pretty cool. They don't leave it up to a guessing game. They tell you on each banjo connection that which one needs to go where. And when you order these from sportsbiketrackgear.com, they come with the brake fluid and brake cleaner as well. It gives you this little vise. This is supposed to be how you're supposed to turn these. So anyway, I'm gonna get this installed, see how it goes, and get a little comparison to stock. I'm sure they'll be a lot better, and hopefully they work. And as you probably already tell, you can choose pretty much any color you want. I match the bike. So here goes. All right, the install went extremely smooth and super easy. And these, and I didn't realize it, but it actually came with new banjo bolts that also match the color that you pick. And it's really cool that you can twist these tips right here. You could twist them around. They include a little thing that clamps this and a plastic dowel that you put in there, and you can turn the two so that way it won't bind. And for me, it's perfect because now it doesn't matter which way I turn the bike, it no longer hits there. I took it for a quick drive, and the brake feel is amazing, in which it should be. I mean, these are stock lines, kind of suck, but it is a little long compared to stock. This bit sticks out quite a bit, but it doesn't really rub that bad. It looks really good in this color. And I think I forgot to mention that when you order this from Sports Bike Track Gear, at least when I did, they had maybe some special going on or something, but it came with DOT4 brake fluid, it's an EBC brake fluid, and then Lucas Oil brake cleaner as well. So other than that, this is awesome. I was just replacing this because it was catching, and I'm pretty sure I'm gonna go and order the back kit as well in the same color because, well, it works great, looks good, and wasn't that expensive either. So totally recommend Sports Bike Track Gear. Like I said, I've ordered thousands of dollars worth of stuff from them. Stuff always comes quick, no hassle, and they do really good little reviews. So hoping to clean that up. Hoping to add this review to anybody else looking at these brake lines. And if you're doing this for a Ninja, there's your part number, and that's Spiegler brake lines. These things are awesome. Check them out.